Okay, for today's Papa RD Random Thoughts, atong paghahisgutan ang issue sa gold medalist. I don't want to be hypocrite about it, but in order for me to discuss this topic clearly, I need to see if the video is true. And then when I saw the video, you know what? It is just a glimpse of it. It is just a glimpse of it, mga kaistorya, just to confirm if my suspicion is true na it was a sex video. And it was indeed a sex video. Kabalo mo mga kaistorya, ang akong random thought, ang ako bitong random thought ani. Kung ikaw sa katao nga na ay anak ng babae, na kay igsuon nga babae, ug na kay inahan, I think you will not be excited or encouraged to watch the video. You know what, as I grow mature, I realize na as I grow mature mga kaistorya, I realize nga it is not good to watch those kind of videos. You know what? You know why? You know the reason why? Because even if, let us say, it is a sex video, it is not really intended for public consumption. It's just that ilan lang tong gi-record, and then sad to say, nag-leak and giabot sa public. But if you are going to analyze it deeply, it's wrong nga imong tanawon. It's wrong nga imo pag yung i-share. Kabalo mo nga, no? Asa naman ang atong empathy as a human being? Sa inyong paminaw kaha, kadtong mga tao nga involved sa video, nalipay to sila karon? I don't think so, because they were not porn stars. They were private they are private citizens who did that private thing, but it just happens that they recorded it and it leaks. So muna siya ang ako ba na lipay kayo, ang uba na lipay, na excite nga, nag-share itong video, nakakita itong video, pero we didn't even think na naunsa na to mga tawag to, naunsa na tong babae, labi na to ang babae, unsa na gibati atong babae, knowing that her video is being distributed all over the world. Ang parents sa babae, ang mga igsuon, ang mga relatives, loved ones, how hurt they were, di ba? After the escalation of the video, mga kaistorya. So kung ikaw usa adtong nalipay, adtong nananaw, nag-share pa gyud ka, my question is, what's wrong with you, man? Nganong mao man imong feeling? As a human being, dapat natay empathy, di ba? What is empathy? Putting yourself in the shoes of others. Try to put yourself daw nga ikaw tong babae, or imo tong igsuon, or imo tong anak, or imo tong mama na inadto, sakay bation nimo. Di ba? So kanala akong mga istorya, you know what? Ang usabi asa itong mabuhat anya, stop watching the video and stop sharing it.